Hello everyone, I'm Gustavo Perez and I'll talk to you about improving domain generalization using style regularization. This is a work in progress with my advisor Subran Somaji at UMass Amherst. Despite shape appearing to be more important than size and texture to categorize objects, ImageNet pre-trained deep networks are biased toward texture, which might explain why a model trained in a source domain performs poorly in a target domain, even if the domain shift is not large. Improving network generalization, but reducing bias towards texture is already being investigated. It has been shown that it is possible to learn shape bias representations using stylized images as data augmentation, providing an improvement in image recognition and robustness towards image distortions and domain shift, since texture information is usually domain specific. Although style augmentation has proven useful, it requires additional pre-trained models to generate the stylized images and, in most cases, additional datasets to extract the styles from. We explore techniques to learn transferable representations to more distant domains without the need for style augmentation. In specific, we study a way to learn these unbiased representations by means of a training regularization. We hypothesize that style augmentation reduces the spectral norm of a gram matrix built with the feature activations in a convolutional deep network layer. We perform experiments with CFAR10 and STL10 datasets. In these preliminary results, we find that our regularization actually improved domain generalization, but it is still not close to the performance using style augmentation.